Hello, this is Yashiko with the Customer Education team. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox requirement to your Clickfunnels page. So the first thing you'll want to do is hover your mouse over any existing element on the page until the orange border shows, and then click on the plus sign to add a new element. Then you can search through the element list here, or you can simply type in check in the search box to locate the checkbox. Then click on it to add it to the page. Now, if you hover your mouse over it again until the orange border shows, and click on the settings or the orange border to access the settings. Now we can select whether or not the checkbox is required. We can also update the contact field name. By default, it's set to accepted terms, but you can feel free to update this text to whatever you'd like. Then you can also check whether or not the checkbox will show to EU visitors or not. So if you select yes, it'll only show to visitors in Europe. Then you can select the font, adjust the font size and text color. You can adjust the bold color, add background, icon color, as well as border colors. And then if you click on advanced, there'll be some more settings here that you can do to adjust the styling of your checkbox. Now let's go ahead and edit the actual text for the checkbox. Again, we'll hover the mouse over it, except this time we won't click on the border, we'll click on the actual text. This will bring up the text editor that we can then use to update the text. Then we'll want to go ahead and save the page. All right, so now we're looking at a contact record that I just submitted just so that we can test the checkbox. I want to show you what it looks like when a visitor actually checks your checkbox. So we'll go ahead and we'll open the contact record, and then we'll go ahead and go to the General Info tab. If you scroll down to the very bottom of this screen, you'll see that the accepted terms field that we had in the checkbox element is here, and it's set to true, meaning that I checked the box when I submitted my email address. If for some reason I didn't have the checkbox set as required and I submitted the email without checking the box, the value here would show as false instead of true. If you have any further questions about this, please reach out to our support team and they'd be happy to help.